Imagine a disaster so immense that it changed the landscape forever. In 1931, the Yangtze River overflowed, leading to the most catastrophic flooding in history. Over 50 million people were affected, with thousands fearing for their lives as their homes disappeared underwater. Survivors share tales of despair, as entire communities were swept away, leaving only heart-wrenching memories. Scientists attribute this calamity to a mix of excessive rainfall and snowmelt, leading to a crisis that no one could anticipate. As they struggled to survive, the strength exhibited by those affected unveiled the unbreakable human spirit amidst unimaginable devastation. In the face of nature's wrath, humanity's resilience shines through, reminding us of our shared vulnerability and strength.